Hey everyone, Financial Astrology here. Let's talk about something you guys have been asking about, making money. But not just making money, we're talking about making serious gains in the stock market. Now you know how much I love real estate, but even I can't deny the potential of a diversified portfolio. We've all heard the usual advice: buy low, sell high, invest in what you know. But what if I told you there's a whole other dimension to investing that most people completely miss? Did you know that planetary movements can influence the stock market? While Wall Street looks at numbers, ancient wisdom suggests the stars have a say too. In this video, I'll decode how celestial movements impact stocks, and you'll want to stay till the end, because I'll also reveal how you can use this knowledge to time your investments better. Let's dive in. Alright, let's talk about Jupiter, the planet of expansion, luck, and abundance. Basically everything we want when we're investing, right? In astrology, Jupiter is known as the greater benefic, meaning it generally brings positive vibes and growth wherever it goes. Now, when Jupiter is having a good time in the sky, transiting through signs that amplify its power, the stock market tends to follow suit. Think about it. When people feel optimistic and confident about the future, they're more likely to invest, spend, and take risks, which fuels economic growth. Some of Jupiter's favorite signs to hang out in are Sagittarius, its home sign, as well as Pisces, where it's all about abundance and flow. When Jupiter is strong in the sky, you'll often see a surge in sectors like travel, education, technology, and anything related to global expansion. But here's the thing: Jupiter's influence isn't just about blindly throwing money into the market. It's about understanding the bigger picture, spotting long-term trends, and making smart investments that align with Jupiter's energy. Think about it. If you had invested in tech stocks back in the late 90s when Jupiter was transiting through Aquarius, the sign of technology and innovation, you would have been riding high. That's the power of understanding these cycles. Of course, it's not always a straight shot to the top. Even with Jupiter's positive influence, there will be ups and downs in the market. But by understanding Jupiter's cycles, you can start to anticipate those shifts and make more informed decisions about your investments. Lessons are invaluable, especially when it comes to building lasting wealth. a clear strategy, manage your risk carefully, and know when to walk away from the before hitting send. Eclipses have captivated humanity for centuries. In astrology, they are powerful turning points, bringing sudden changes and revelations. Eclipses can coincide with major market shakeups, reflecting disruptions in the natural order. History shows market crashes often occur around eclipses, like the 1929 crash and 1987's Black Monday. Eclipses act as catalysts, bringing hidden factors to light and accelerating trends. Stay informed, be prepared for volatility, and avoid hasty decisions during eclipse season. Understand the impact of these celestial events to make informed investment decisions. Market trends and adjust your investment strategies accordingly. So there you have it, guys. A crash course on how planetary positions can impact the US stock market. We've covered a lot of ground today, from Jupiter's bullish influence to the unexpected twists and turns brought about by Rahu and Ketu. This is just the beginning. In upcoming videos, I will release detailed explanations for each of these key topics so you can apply financial astrology to your trading and investments. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Comment below if you want a video on a specific stock or sector based on astrology. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and be sure to share it with your friends who are also interested in exploring the fascinating connection between the cosmos and the markets. Until next time, happy investing!